We're going to graph proportional relationships. When you have an X and a Y and they're told to be proportional, the relationship can be represented by this formula here, y equals mx. Now we've been studying that m is the slope. You can also call that the constant of proportionality, but let's think of it as a slope because that's what we're already used to. So if they tell me that the cost of frozen yogurt is represented by y equals 0.5x, that is the proportionality relationship, and the m happens to be 0.5. Since we're talking about money, you probably recognize that 0.5 is the same thing as 50 cents. They just don't have a zero behind it. So it's 50 cents times ever how many yogurts you're going to buy. That seems like a simple problem. Let's make our T-chart, and it's got lots of little sections in here just to help you understand it a little bit better. But let's say we don't buy any yogurt. We go to the yogurt store, we decide we don't want any, we don't buy any. Well, how much is it going to cost us? Well, 0.5 times 0 is 0. It's not going to cost us anything. So we would go up here to the origin and we would place our point at 0, 0. And then we maybe we go back and we just want one for ourselves. So how much is that going to cost us? It's 0.5 times 1. Anything times 1 is itself. So that's 0.5, 0.5. Well, that's like 50 cents. It's going to cost me 50 cents to get that. So 1, 0.5 is where I'm going to graph that. Now they've counted by halves on this graph. Always pay attention to what they count by. So 1, go right 1 and up a half and get that point. Now let's say I buy one for me and my friend. It's going to cost me 0.5 times 2. Think of it in money terms. What's 50 cents times 2? Well, it's $1, isn't it? It's going to cost me, if I get 2, it's going to cost me $1. So 2 is the X and the Y is 1. I go right 2 and up 1. Notice that my points are looking like a straight line, and that's exactly what we want because these are linear. Let's say that I buy 3 yogurts. So half times 3, 0.5 times 3, it's like $1.50. If you're thinking about 50 cents times 3, it's $1.50. So it's 1.5 or $1.50. 3 yogurts is going to cost me 1.5. So I'm going to go right 3 and up 1.5. And there I have my graph. And I can line up a straight edge against it. The more I buy, the more that it's going to cost. The slope indicates that it's 50 cents per ounce. So 0.50 per